Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study soils of Bihar, very important topic for BPSC prelims exams, and we are not going to go very deep in this topic. We are just focusing for prelims purpose, and we are going to study this similarly as we have studied in rivers of Bihar. So in rivers of Bihar we have studied in North Bihar river and South Bihar river. Similarly we are going to study in as North Bihar soil, then South Bihar soil. So first thing we have to remember is alluvial soil. Bihar has mostly alluvial soil. Alluvial soil are soils made from due to rivers. Okay, so alluvial soil. So nearby river there will be newer alluvial soil that is known as khadar. Khadar. And away from river that will be older alluvial soil that is known as bhangar. Okay, we have to remember this कि older alluvial soil is known as bhangar and newer alluvial soil is known as khadar. We have to remember this fact. This is very important fact. Okay, now coming to the North Bihar soil. So North Bihar soil we are going to start it from West Champaran. This West Champaran region, Someshwar range region is has abundance of water. That's why it creates swampy soil. There is swampy soil, that there is also canebrakes type of forest. So in swampy soil, this is also known as Piedmont swamp soil. It is found in West Champaran. We have to remember this has been previously asked. Piedmont swamp soil found in which region? To West Champaran. Now using your logic, all the rivers come from Nepal Himalaya. So Nepal Himalayas, here it is lowland. They come from the high altitude and they fall on lower altitude. So this low altitude area is known as Terai region. Okay, and this region soil is known as Terai soil. So it starts from West Champaran and goes to Kishanganj and it makes a stripe Terai soil. Then alluvial soil. So obvious thing is कि older alluvial soil. That means Bangar will be away from rivers and Khadar will be nearby the river. So most of the area will be Bangar. This area will be Bangar. This area will be Bangar. This area will be Bangar. Okay. And in North Bihar, in local language, it is also called as Bal Sundari soil. Bangar soil is also known as Bal Sundari soil. And nearby river, there will be Khadar soil. Okay. We have to remember this. Ki older alluvial soil is known as Bangar and newer alluvial soil is known as Khadar soil. And in North Bihar, local name of Bhangar soil is Bal Sundari soil. Okay. Then South Bihar soil. South Bihar is very easy because South Bihar has less river. That's why there will be older alluvial soil will be in abundance. Most of the soil will be old alluvial because there are less river. Okay. Now looking at the image of South Bihar. So older alluvial soil. Most of this region will be older alluvial soil. This older alluvial soil, that means Bhangar soil. Now Ganga river divides Bihar into two parts. So backwater of Ganga makes Tal soil. Backwater of Ganga means in rainy season there are flood, then water comes in this area and this area become waterlogged, then Ganga river go to their normal flow, but this create a stripe of tal soil. This is known as tal soil, very fertile in nature. Tal soil. Okay, tal soil. Then most of the area is Bhangar soil. Most of the area is Bhangar soil because river are less. That's why there are older alluvial soil is in abundance. That means Bhangar is in abundance. But here Kaimur or Rohtas region has mountainous region. This soil is known as red sandy soil. Red sandy soil in Kaimur Rohtas plateau region. Red sandy soil. Color is red and nature is sandy. So red sandy soil. Then there is red and yellow soil in this region. Transition region of Kaimur plateau, and here is Rajmahal hills, part of Rajmahal hills. So here comes red and yellow soil in nature. And here is Chota Nagpur plateau, and also there is red and yellow soil. So these two region has red and yellow soil. This covers the South Bihar soil. Now coming to the table for revision purpose. Revision purpose. First, North Bihar soil. Piedmont soil is in West Champaran because this is swampy in nature. Then Tarai region. Tarai region. This is Tarai soil. Then there will be Bhangar soil. Bhangar soil where river is far. Bhangar soil. Bhangar soil. Bhangar soil. And in North Bihar it is also known as Bal Sundari soil. And nearby river there will be Khadar soil. Then in South Bihar, Ganga divides, then it creates a Tal soil region, backwater of Ganga. Then most of the region will have old alluvial soil because river are less. Then Kamur Rohtas region has red sandy soil. Then red and yellow soil also known as Balthar soil. We have to focus on this. This is also known as Balthar soil in local language. So this covers Chota Nagpur Plateau and South Ganga plain. Chota Nagpur Plateau and South Ganga plain, matlab this region, and also narrow belt from Kamur Plateau and Rajmahal Hills. That means this region, narrow strip, and most of the mid area will have Bhangar soil or older alluvial soil in South Bihar. So this covers the whole topic of soil of Bihar for prelims purpose. That's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks. Bye bye and take care.